you can see we have prepared 3 applications for safety training. Hi, myself Karthik from AdvanceTech India, and today I'm going to show you our latest software, which is the safety training software for industries like Tata, like different factories, warehouses, etc. So this is the hardware, 43-inch touch kiosk, and this is a software. And when I go inside, you can see we have prepared 3 applications for safety training. First application is training module. Second is PPE selection guide for factories, workers. And third is the testing of knowledge for the visitors for or factory workers. So firstly, I'll go into training module section. So when I go in training modules, we have prepared some content of different applications as per the industries. I go into general work, and in general work we have some videos and PDFs. So you can see a video can be played or any type of data can be played inside the kiosk software. So this is how the data can be put inside the kiosk. Similarly, the second option is PP selection guide. So PP selection is useful for the factory workers who wants to know which accessories are important for the procedure ahead. So when you click on any particular application, for example, hot work, so this will guide.
Please wear goggles for safety.
As you can see,
Please wear nose mask for safety.
the voice will also
Please
tell,
wear shoes
and
for
the person
safety.
can also check
Please
the
wear gloves for safety.
information. Similarly, my third module is the testing of knowledge for your factory workers before they go into the next step. So when I click on the test your knowledge module, there is a quiz of different modules. So quiz number 1, for example, is of general work. First, your employee has to fill his information. For example, I'll fill a random information of mine. A phone number, a 10-digit phone number should be there. So when we have filled the information of employee or factory worker, we can start the quiz program. So before the quiz, it is mandatory for the factory worker to view the content, to, for example, view the safety content and learn the information first. So as soon as he has seen the video, it will be a tick mark here, and also he has to go to the safety guide first to understand the information. So this is a random PDF that we have filled, and once he has seen, a quiz will open in which there is a timer and there is a different particular question. So as soon as he fill the information, he can submit and he can get to the next question. So once he has put, he will get a certificate acknowledgement with name, score, etc. And then he can download or share the same certificate for approval purposes in factories. So this is the certificate of completion for any worker that has successfully completed the training, which is the safety training from the application, and then he is eligible to work in the hazardous environment in factory, industry, etc. So this is the complete software of safety training, in which there is a training module, there is a PPE selection guide, and this is a quiz for factory workers, in which you can edit as per your industry standards, etc. Next, you can display the information in screensaver, and you can put it in this type of large information kiosk with touch screen.